This is Money Minds, where we reveal the real stories of people using the power of AI to change their lives. If you think the AI revolution is only for tech experts, think again. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing you've made money while you slept. That's not a dream anymore, it's reality. From single moms in London to students in Toronto, from truck drivers in Texas to freelancers in Sydney, AI is opening doors no one thought existed. In just a few years, the world's work culture has flipped. More than 300 million jobs now use AI tools in some form: writing, design, coding, marketing, even customer service. AI doesn't just replace jobs, it transforms them. Meet Sarah from Manchester. She started a faceless YouTube channel about AI tools. Now her channel earns her more than her old full-time job. Then there's Michael from Los Angeles. He uses ChatGPT to write ads for small businesses. He earns $500 to $1,000 a week part-time. And Arjun from Melbourne, he teaches others how to automate their work with AI and gets paid to do it. If you're wondering how they do it, it's all about using the right AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for art, Pika Labs for video, ElevenLabs for voice, and Notion AI for organization. These tools cost almost nothing but can generate full-time income. Faceless content is exploding. No camera, no showing your face. Just creativity, AI tools, and storytelling. That's how creators build empires quietly from their laptops. The future isn't waiting, it's already here and it's in your hands. The question is, will you use AI to survive or to succeed? Don't forget to like, share, and follow Money Minds for more real stories of AI success.